United States Geological Survey reported a magnitude 5.4 quake in the United States near Eureka, Humboldt County, California, only 10 minutes ago. The earthquake hit in the morning on Sunday, January 1, 2023, at 10:35 a.m. local time at a shallow depth of 17 miles. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their reports. A second report was later issued by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed it as a magnitude 5.5 earthquake. A third agency, the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, reported the same quake at magnitude 5.4.